What is up, everyone? Do you want to make your computer setup look incredibly cool while keeping a close eye on how well it is running? Upgrading your desktop has never been this fun. Welcome back to Triplezon. Today we have an amazing screen monitor just for you. Let's get started. When building a powerful computer, keeping your hardware running perfectly is absolutely essential. Overheating can slow down your games and damage expensive parts over time. That is exactly where the FHD 11.26-inch PC temperature display comes into play. This device is a highly versatile mini monitor specifically designed for enthusiasts who want to keep a very close eye on their system's performance while enjoying exceptionally high-quality visuals. The FHD 11.26-inch PC temperature display is not just a simple text readout. It is a stunning visual upgrade that adds a massive amount of personality and practical functionality to any modern computer workstation. Let us talk about the most impressive part of this device, which is the screen itself. The FHD mini monitor features a brilliant 11.26-inch IPS panel with a sharp Full HD resolution of 1920 by 440. Because it uses an ultra-slim bar-style shape, it fits perfectly inside most computer cases without blocking your fans or getting in the way of your cables. The IPS panel technology is fantastic because it offers a very wide 178-degree viewing angle. This is incredibly important when you mount the screen inside your computer case. No matter where you are sitting at your desk, you will always get clear and completely distortion-free visuals. You will not have to lean over or squint just to read your computer statistics. Furthermore, this display boasts 100% sRGB color coverage. This ensures highly accurate color reproduction, making it fully suitable not just for basic text, but for colorful animations and color-sensitive multitask workflows. One of the main reasons people love the FHD 11.26-inch PC temperature display is its amazing software integration. This screen is specially tailored for heavy hardware monitoring and works seamlessly with the highly popular AIDA64 software. When you connect it to your computer, it allows for the real-time visualization of your CPU and GPU temperatures. It also actively tracks your clock speeds and detailed usage statistics. This advanced functionality is completely invaluable for serious gamers and PC builders who require detailed system diagnostics in a compact form factor. If you are worried that setting this up might be too complicated, you do not have to stress. Beautiful screen templates and the free AIDA64 software are readily available to download. This totally simplifies the setup process for new users, allowing you to get your cool temperature gauges running in just a few minutes. Visibility is another huge factor when adding a screen to your setup, especially if your computer case is filled with bright glowing lights. To ensure you can always read your numbers, this display offers an impressive 500 nits of brightness. This means the screen is brilliantly illuminated, ensuring clear visibility even in very well-lit environments or sunny rooms. To make the viewing experience even better, FHD thoughtfully applied a premium anti-glare coating to the front of the glass. This completely prevents annoying reflections from your room lights or windows, delivering wonderfully sharp visuals that are highly comfortable for extended viewing sessions. When it comes to actually connecting the monitor, the FHD 11.26-inch PC temperature display is highly adaptable to fit your specific needs. It features both HDMI and Type-C connectivity options. This amazing versatility means you are not just limited to putting it inside a computer tower. You can easily use it as a highly convenient secondary screen alongside your laptop to hold your chat windows, or even connect it to a fun Raspberry Pi project. It effortlessly accommodates a massive variety of devices and desk setups. Finally, we have to mention the outstanding physical build quality. Instead of using cheap plastic that cracks easily, this monitor is encased in a sleek full metal housing. This metal body combines outstanding physical durability with highly effective heat dissipation. Because it pulls heat away from the internal electronics, the screen stays cool and safe even during long gaming marathons. It maintains a wonderfully premium aesthetic that perfectly complements the look and feel of modern high-end PC builds. Are you ready to take your computer setup to the next level with ultimate system monitoring? Check the price link in the description to secure your new display today. Please make sure to like and subscribe to Triplezon for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.